August.
She said she wanna stay, yeah.
Young Money.
I don't think I can, you know.
I swear this is my favorite song. I'm serious.
Red light, you know I can't make this thing that official. Believe we had a great night, but I ain't the type to tell you that I miss you. Shit, you don't like that I make this easy. Leaving after sexing on the floor. Baby, I know you need me.
Orla y Mix.
Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can do. I'm the one at the center. I'm the master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my skin to the messes right on my blood. You that look at me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my from the pain, seeing the empty. You let me, I believe it. You back me down and tell me I believe it. Believe it.
Tonight's gonna be
bafethu, this is Untokozo, a champ yala eMandeni, a world champ, mind you, a world champ yala eMandeni bafethu. But
Champ is here. Yes, Champ is in the house.
champ is here. It's in the building.
Yes.
Yeah. So lama demonstration, lama kicks out usikhombisa wona. That's all self-defense.
This is kind of combat workout. It's
Okay.
an aerobic form. It's a martial arts aerobic form.
Okay.
To make your body healthy and strong. Yeah,
Alright.
just those movies that you have to do it at home.
Sure.
In order to make your body healthy and strong.
Sure.
And ladies, they have to do squats in order to wear pump shorts during summer.
Wafethu njengoba sesekuspring manje, isummer is just around the corner. You know what it is, wafethu. Please enjoy ama demonstrations akabhuti Ntokozo la kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party. You saw it first here kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party. Feel free ukuthi take lessons or practice bantu like women, especially abantu besifazane, since kuna le crisis ye gender based violence and abuse. I'm sure ukuthi lama demonstrations will offer something.
Yes, they are more useful for self-defense.
Sure.
Yeah, kind of combat workout is in martial arts aerobics, but it's also useful to learn to defend yourself as well.
Sure. So abantu besifazane kanye na noma ubani or interested kwama combat workouts lawa usikhombisa wona uthola kanjani? How isikole sakho, ama trainings, ama platforms ezixhumana kuhamba kanjani?
Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo on Facebook, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo on Twitter, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo Instagram, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo LinkedIn, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo YouTube channel, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo Referral King, Ntokozo Blessing Mgwabo's contact number, Kaido Combat Workouts.
Sure.
Yolo.
078-479-5476.
Yeah.
Repeat, 078-479-76. Sorry about that. Here first, kwiMandeni Lockdown House Party.